Hello guys, it's me Paul, Good Gaming Ideas, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are reviewing some fittings and tubing from XCPC. So I have received the package today, and let's see what we have. So this is the fitting. It's 5/8 compressed fitting for a soft tube. And I've chosen black chromium fittings because I think it looks well with my case, as my case already have some of the black chromium fittings in it, and in addition to that my pump came with black chromium fitting, yes, on top and on the bottom. So yeah, this is I bought this separately. So this is a white chromium, and the second one is a black chromium fitting. So yeah, so I already have some fittings, and as well the screws for the pump are black chromium plated. Yes, and this is my EK radiator and pump combo. You already pre-assemble it. So yeah, so this is a spoiler alert. So this is how it's gonna look in my case mounted. Okay. So these fittings, they sell them in 3 different colors: white chromium, black chromium, and just painted black. They have small logo in the middle, XCPC. If you can see it. Yes. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. You just unscrew them, put your hose on and just screw them and tighten, and that's it. That should work. So I got a whole bunch of those, as well some blackouts, some plugs as well. Black chromium, looks really nice. Quality is good, and it comes with a black rubber. Okay, what we have else? Yes, and a black hose, black soft tube from XCPC, as you can see, shipped directly to me. Yes, it's 15.9 millimeter from the outside and 11.1 millimeter inside diameter, or 5/8 inch and 7/16 inch inside. 2 meters. Well, that should be enough. And let's see. Yeah, it looks really decent. It's shiny. It looks scratches free and glossy. It's really soft, as you can see. You can squeeze it. Just go back to its original shape. Yes, and it's quite thick, so it should work just fine with my black shades PC build. So if you would like get these for your PC build, just check the links in the description below. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.